Hello video marketers, and in today's video we will learn 5 key tips for launching your marketing video. Number 1 is launch your video natively. This means upload the video to the social media platform. Don't link back to the video to something like YouTube or Vimeo. The social media platforms prefer native video. They will give it further reach and therefore you'll get further engagement. Tip number 2 is tell your friends and your network and your colleagues about your video. If you can get early engagement on your video, which means early views, likes, comments, this will be a signal to the algorithms that the video is valuable, and it will be more likely to get an increased amount of reach amongst your own network and even beyond. Tip number 3 is try and incorporate the video into your wider marketing strategy. If you have an email marketing campaign, include a link to the video in that. If you've got a website or blog site, then think about creating a blog version of the video and embedding the video into that. This will further increase the reach and access points to the video and ultimately increase the ROI that you get. Tip number 4, and this is platform dependent, but if it is a social media platform like LinkedIn or Twitter or Facebook where you can engender a conversation around your video, try to do that. So think about the description that goes alongside the video, as well as just explaining what the video is talking about. Can you motivate a conversation by asking questions of your viewers? Tip number 5 is take the learnings from each video launch. So things like time of day, length of video, format of video, type of description, be variables that ultimately play into the success of your video. So in today's video we learned the 5 key tips for launching your marketing video. Number 1 was post natively. Number 2 was seek early engagement. Number 3 was try and integrate the video into your wider marketing strategy. Tip number 4 was try and motivate the conversation around your video. And tip number 5 was use analytics and data. If you're thinking about starting to use more video in your marketing, then please consider subscribing. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye bye.